YouTubers, yes, it's that time of the week again. I'm going to be doing a few little jobs on my car, and although it doesn't sound exciting, I've got some chrome bulbs to fit. Yep, if you look, you can see the orange through the clear, which, as some of you would know, I'm not a fan of. But also, let's unlock the car and show you the white light, or the orange light I should say. Let's put the hazards on. Now, although it's orange, they're starting to get a little bit white, if you know what I mean. So the idea is to pop these out. I believe they're held in with 2 screws once you open the rear hatch, and yeah, these are basically pushed in. So let's get them off and have a look. Right, first things first, obviously the car needs a damn good wash. I've just been so busy, it's not been possible. But yeah, the lights are held in with these. They look pretty grubby already, actually. There's just 2 on each light unit. There and there. Normally I clean all these, but I've still not had a time or opportunity to deep clean the car. But yeah, once you unscrew these 2 screws, you basically wiggle and lift the unit and it comes out. So let's go get my screwdriver and see how easy it really is. Well, that's both screws taken out. I'll probably treat these with some WD or penetrating oil. I've taken the screws out on this side as well. And as I say, there's 2 like push rod tags that hold the light unit in, but they do just lift up. Look at the dirt. So yeah, people that know me, although the car is absolutely filthy, I'll give this a quick clean. But these just twist out, so hold the unit, take them out. Yeah, bulb doesn't actually look too bad. It's started to lose its amber colouring. As I'm going to clean a unit, I'm going to take this one out as well, if my hand will allow me. If not, I'll use both hands. There we go. And obviously before I put the unit back in, I will test both bulbs and see how they go. Right, let's get this light unit out. Like so. Yeah, it's amazing where dirt gets to, isn't it? But this is the thing. Filthy, 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 filthy. Right, let's give this a clean down. so I have the old bulb and holder here. They should just push in, rotate and unclip. And if you look, the pins are what they call offset. So they're not staggered because they're in line, they're just offset. That's the replacement bulb, like so. But as you can see, it removes the orangeness from the clear lens. Yeah, that is actually amber underneath the chrome. So that should only go in one place, rotate around, and it's in. Simple fitment, nothing complicated. I'll go and test it 1 second. There you go, and as you can see, the amber shines through the chrome. But hopefully, as I say, once it's back in the light unit, it will remove that orangey look. There you go. Bit hard to see, but I've cleaned the back of the unit, just put it there. All there is now is a question of putting the bulbs back in. If I bring the camera around to the other side, you can see, if you try and route the cables so they don't get pinched, but there's two little ball joint tags. One goes in there, one goes in there. Sorry. Click, click. And then it's just a question of putting the screws back in that I've just cleaned. Let's quickly flick the switch on. Yeah, that's right, I thought I'd locked the car, but I hadn't, because the back's still open. And if I can do a comparison, so that's the amber on that side, and that's the one on that side. But the best bit is, and this is what I've been trying to achieve, which I tend to do with all my cars, to be honest. That you can see has like a amber reflective in there, and that one is just chrome. Brilliant, eh? Right, so let's put the screws in before I forget. Do the other side, and then yeah, very basic video, but a lot of people don't know how to do these straightforward jobs, so you know, they're straightforward. Just have the confidence. Do it, yeah. So, yeah, the side is back in and cleaned. Side light works, indicator light works, screws are in. Let's quickly show you the screws. I may have cheated and given them a quick coat of matte black paint. Yeah, like you do. Often people ask me, why do I bother cleaning behind the headlights, but sorry, behind the lights and the light clusters. Why not? I mean, they're off. You could see how dirty it was, and although my logic may be twisted, I mean, my arsehole is squeaky clean. I don't go around with it dirty hoping that nobody sees it. So, yeah, why not give it a clean? plus it lightens the car and makes up for all the biscuits I eat. Anyway, let's get the bulb swapped over. I've already got the old one out. Let me show you this one on this side. Yeah, a lot of the amber had actually started to fade away. So I used to keep spare bulbs and stuff like this, but in this case they're only going to go one place, and that's in the bin. So as I've showed, that's the near side unit back in and bulb changed, and that's the offside unit in, cleaned, and no orangey glow, which is pretty good. I've been looking at the fronts as well. Obviously there's the indicators on the side, but the fronts actually have an orange strip down them. The bulb is orange, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to do some reading on these, but these are quite pitted, so that's a job for another video, as are these. As I say, the car desperately needs a clean, but anyway, all I can say is, again, thanks for watching. I tried to clean a little bit up around here. I'll probably do a little bit more. Let's put these clips back on. Very simple, just click. But as I say, I hope these videos are useful to some people. There's a lot of people that wouldn't even consider doing this. They would probably think, you know, it's a bit involved, but literally the job's taken twice as long because I clean everything, but you only need a cross-headed screwdriver and a couple of minutes and these literally clip out, which is very modular, as they say, I believe. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Again, if you like the video, click on the like button. If not, have a moan, I don't mind. Yeah, like I say, I'm only basically documenting the things I'm doing to my car as and when I can do them. I'm not a YouTuber as such, but yeah, I appreciate the views and comments. So I will catch you in a future episode, and I'm now going to debate whether to clean the car or go and edit this video. Anyway, I'll catch you in a future episode. Thanks for watching.